Hello from Dendrite Digital in Anaheim, makers of the Virtue Data Processor, and ZipBits, the website made entirely of human-readable JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So here I have the 65816, and it's instruction set with addressing modes and opcodes mixed in together. And so far, I've got, I go through the whole list of 256 instructions and separate out all of them with the same acronym or opcode or mnemonic. And I and the bits together of all of them with the same name and OR them together with all of them the same name, and then find the exclusive OR between the and the OR, and we get this. So they don't agree with the ones, and they do agree with all the zeros. So I take the and the OR, and I exclusive OR it together. And so those two ones right there become unknowns or don't cares. And the other bits are how you identify the function. And so I've done this for both addressing modes and this is just an HTML file with JavaScript. So you can just figure it all out with JavaScript, and then you can write the Verilog code with case X and put this data in there, and you'll be able to identify what instruction to do. So if you want to see the code, I have it here. So the first big problem is getting this table together the right way. But once you've done that, see, this is the 65816, and I've gone through a number of different manuals to try to make this as close to perfect as I can, but it's still got some bugs in it. I don't know where the faults are. I just go over this list from top to bottom and try to, get the opcode or mnemonic here for the instruction, and then the addressing mode here, and then the number of cycles that it takes. And so I've done that for the whole list. I tried to figure out with the I tried to figure out the logic behind the number of cycles it takes. There didn't seem to be any. You just have a rare one here, which takes only one cycle. Block move, a block move instruction. One cycle. I'm not sure that that's real or not. So I'll have to figure that out. And so once you've got the mnemonics, then you can write this little JavaScript program that goes through the whole list, goes through all 256 instructions, and it runs it through like a doubly nested loop to try to find, do I already have this mnemonic listed yet? And so over here, it's comparing the one it's on, the one it's got, to the one in the list already. If it equals, then it breaks out of the loop, and that means X is equal to the length, and it inserts the new opcode here. And if it's not equal to the length of the programs or the processes, then it it takes the new process and ANDs it with the number of the instruction. And then it does an OR with the number of the instruction. And it puts it in two separate lists. That's the AND and the OR in the list. And then once it's done going through all 256 possibilities, then it sorts it. And I start a string. And we go through each of the instructions. And we exclusive OR them here. The AND and the OR exclusive OR will tell you which bits are different and which ones stay the same the whole time. And then we convert those to binary strings. And then we take the binary strings and we pad them with zeros until they're 8 bits wide, because that's what all the instructions are. And then we set up a tab, and then whether it's an opcode or addressing mode. And then we show the instruction, and then we do the AND, the OR, and the exclusive OR. Now next is kind of tricky, because you're replacing all the ones in the exclusive OR with X's, and then you're going through and replacing the zeros with the content of the OR. And so the OR has the right number unless there's an X there, and that gets replaced with the actual number rather than a zero in the exclusive OR. And then print out the mask, go to the next line, and just loop through all the possibilities in the mnemonics of the 65-816.